Which air fryer is actually safe to use? Simple question, but if you dig a bit deeper, the options can be overwhelming. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 non-toxic air fryers that won't just look good in your kitchen, but will actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1, Ninja Crispi 4-in-1. First up is the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 glass air fryer priced at $157. What caught my attention was the elegant glass design and the promise of being PFAS and PTFE-free. If you want a truly safe and versatile cooking solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. The Ninja Crispi is not just an air fryer, it's an all-in-one system. It includes a 4-quart and a 6-cup glass container, perfect for everything from quick meals to family dinners. The maximum temperature of 450 degrees F means you can achieve that crispy finish without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. With 6,500 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many users are satisfied. Plus, the snap-lock lids make meal prep easy and mess-free. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution that can replace multiple appliances, this might not be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you love cooking for family or enjoy meal prepping. Skip this one if you're tight on counter space and only need something for quick snacks. At its price point, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the size of the Ninja Crispi bothered you, the next one on the list might be even better for smaller kitchens. Product number 2, Ninja Crispi Pro. Next is the Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer, retailing at $299.99. This caught my eye because it's designed to feed a whole family with ease. If you want to cook larger meals without sacrificing safety, this one deserves your attention. This air fryer really shines with its 6-quart capacity, which can comfortably roast a 7.5-pound chicken. The 1800 watts of power means faster cooking times, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meal. What's even better, the glass container is completely free of harmful chemicals, providing peace of mind every time you cook. With over 950 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear users appreciate its performance. However, some users mention that the price is a bit steep for what you get. But I'll be real with you, if you're serious about cooking for a family and want a long-lasting appliance, the investment can be worth it. This is perfect for you if you often prepare meals for gatherings or have a larger family. Skip this one if you're cooking for just 1 or 2 people and don't need that much capacity. Overall, it's a solid pick for those looking for functionality and safety. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for those who want something compact without compromising quality. Product number 3, Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer. Now let's talk about the Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer, priced at just $59.99. What caught my attention here is its ultra-slim design, making it perfect for tight spaces. If you want something affordable and easy to store, this is worth considering. The Bella air fryer features a unique ceramic nonstick coating that's completely free of PFAS and PTFE. This means you can enjoy crispy fries or chicken wings without the worry of harmful chemicals. With a 6 preset cooking option and adjustable temperature, it caters to various cooking styles. Plus, at 1,300 watts, you get quick results, which is fantastic for busy weeknights. With over 3,700 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among users. But here's the thing, if you're cooking for 1 or 2, this might be the perfect size and it's incredibly budget-friendly. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller apartment or just need an air fryer for quick snacks. Skip this one if you often cook large meals for gatherings. It's an excellent value for the price. Now, if you need something with even more versatility, the next product takes cooking to another level. Product number 4, TiferSync 8 QT. Next up is the TiferSync 8 QT AI Smart Air Fryer, priced at $199.99. This one caught my attention because of its innovative features, especially the built-in wireless meat thermometer. If you want precise cooking without the guesswork, keep watching. This air fryer is a tech lover's dream with 9 cooking functions, allowing you to air fry, roast, or even dehydrate desserts. The 8-quart capacity means you can easily cook a whole chicken or a family-sized pizza. The ceramic basket is free from PFAS and PFOA, ensuring safe cooking. Plus, the whisper quiet operation is a game changer for those with kids or pets at home. With a rating of 4.7 stars from 321 reviews, it's clear this fryer has impressed many. On the downside, some users found the app could be a bit glitchy at times. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who loves tech and wants a hands-off approach to cooking, a few hiccups might not deter you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy experimenting with recipes and want all the smart features. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler air fryer without all the bells and whistles. It's a worthy investment if you want cutting-edge technology in your kitchen. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more straightforward and budget-friendly, the last product might just do the trick. Product number 5, Simple Deluxe 4.7 QT. Finally, we have the Simple Deluxe 4.7 QT glass air fryer priced at $89.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its transparent glass bowl, allowing you to see the cooking process. If you want a straightforward air fryer that's easy to monitor, this is the one for you. The powerful 1300W heating ensures even cooking, so you won't end up with half-raw fries. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability and ease of use. However, some folks mention that the glass bowl can be a bit heavy when filled. But honestly, if you want a healthier cooking option that you can easily clean, the benefits outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective air fryer that's easy to clean and use. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-tech model with tons of features. For the price, it's an excellent choice for those who want a reliable kitchen companion. So to wrap it up, we covered the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 for those who need versatility, the Ninja Crispi Pro for family-sized meals, the Bella Slim for budget-conscious individuals, the Typher Sync for tech enthusiasts, and the Simple Deluxe for straightforward cooking. Each of these air fryers brings something unique to the table, making your choice depend on your specific needs. Happy cooking!